the profitability analysis template brought to you by TemplateShop.net. This is a template which provides detailed information related to the revenue, COGS or cost of goods sold, the administrative costs based on various products, various countries, and various timelines within a particular year. It could be based on year-to-date numbers or month-to-date numbers, which we will see in the upcoming sheets. A detailed information is provided on how to use the sheet, including customizations and changing of any currency if required. Let's look at the profitability data at the high level. Based on the period, based on the various countries, the product which is being sold, the revenue generated, COGS or the cost of goods sold, various expenses that one might incur, whether the deal or the overall sales were profitable or it was a loss, as in this case, it says minus 213%, and the month of a particular quarter or a year, all divided, where we can choose it based on the filters. Next, we look at interesting data based on the month. Here I might just look at, say, August. If I want to look at it, I get a completely updated sheet based on August. Or I might say June. We see the numbers changed based on the drop-down filter that is applied. Or it could be based on either month-to-date or year-to-date numbers. This is broken down as we see by country, the revenue, cost of goods sold, profit till June, because the month we have selected is June. So you have a June year-to-date. We have other aspects in terms of earnings before interest and tax till June year-to-date. The quarterly overview, whether it is a profitability in terms of gross profitability, quarterly overview by earnings before interest and tax. All the possible details that can be included have been included here for ease of understanding and working. We can also have another view based on the month, year to date, and the product. So in this case, I might select tablets or one of the various products that we are selling. And in a similar manner, we have all the various information. Moving on, we have by product and country, which is based on individual products and the country, the revenue, COGS, the selling and general administrative costs for each of the countries. Last but not least, this dashboard provides us with the highest level of view using the most sophisticated way of demonstrating numbers for visual understanding. We see here that the total number of countries that are being served by us is 20. The products are 5. The total revenue, cost of goods sold, the total expenses, net profit, loss, if at all, is all clearly indicated. Further, we have all the information related in attractive column charts by month, the revenue per country, the revenue per product, and the sum of profit month-on-month growth. We can also use these slicers, which I will be showing you now, of how we can use this to understand every aspect of whether it's a revenue, COGS, expenses, etc. by using these slicers. Let's say, for example, I want to understand the total details for Android in Australia. Say, for example, in the month of September, see how it changes? When I said Android phones in Austria, the number changed from 20 countries to just one country to one product. And I would say in the month of September, this is what we want to have. Alternately, I might say I want Albania. I might use two countries, Albania and Australia. Two countries have been selected. Number of countries becomes 2. The product is 1. I might want to have 2 products. Use this. And I say Android phones and iPhones. We see 2 products, 2 countries. And based on September, we can also say if I want any information for Q4, which is October or November or December, etc. We really appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates by subscribing to templateshop.net. This spreadsheet template can also be bought at templateshop.net, the link for which can be found in the description.